Hi, I'm Mary with the Volusia County Public Libraries, and today during Volusia Library Gets Crafty, Adult Crafting, I'm going to show you how to make a paper shamrock. You're going to need a ruler, some scissors. I'm going to use hot glue today, but if you were doing this with a child, you could do it with a glue stick, or you can always use craft glue if that's what you have around the house. You're going to need to make 7 11-inch long by 2-inch wide strips. You're going to have to make 7 9-inch long by 2-inch and 7 7-inch long by 2-inch strips. Art from each other so you can get the teardrop look. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is place my strips out, and I'm going to do 6 of each color and each size. This is my second strip, which is 2 inches shorter than my longest strip. I'm going to lay it on top of here, and you can get a visual for what we're about to do here. Today I'm using cardstock, but you could use any kind of scrap paper that you have around the house. So then we're going to go with our last size, which is the 7-inch strips. So it's going to be shorter, the shorter one. And then we're going to set the last set aside. So the first thing you're going to do once you have all your strips cut is you're going to glue your strips together at one end where they are all touching. I'm going to do it with another one, and then I'll give you a look and you'll see. So now you have all of your strips attached at one end. So let me go ahead and glue these strips together, and I'll show you step 2. So now that you have your first 6 set of strips all attached at one end, we're going to start to make our teardrop shape. What you're going to do is you're going to take your shortest piece and you're going to apply a little glue, and you're going to bend it over and attach it to the bottom where you attached your other 3 strips. Then you're going to take your next size and you're going to do that. And you're going to do that. And what you're going to get is 6 teardrop shapes, just like this. So I'm going to continue to do that. I'll show you one more time. You just bend your little one, the smallest one, over. In this case today, it's our 7-incher. Then I'm going to move my 9-inch over. And then I'm going to go ahead and move my 11-inch over. Okay. To hold your teardrops together while you are continuing to make all 6 of them, you could go ahead and use a large paper clip. Once you finish your 6 teardrop shapes, you're going to take 2 of your teardrops and you're going to glue them together to make like a heart. So I'm just going to add some glue and glue the 2 of them together, just like that. Our shamrock petals are starting to take shape. So as you can see, I have the makings of a shamrock. The hardest part is creating your stem. So you're going to take your last set of paper, 2 inches apart each one. On an 11-inch strip that we're using today, it's going to be 4.5. And you're just going to make a little crease. It doesn't have to be exact, no. So you're going to find your center, 1.5 inches in the center. So you're going to try to find your center. And you're going to make a little crease, giving yourself about a 1 inch. And then you'll see when you fit them together, you see how you get that 3D effect. And then on your smallest one, which is only 7 inches, you're just going to want about a 3/4 inch. So you're just going to find the 3/4 inch in the middle. And once again, you can do a fold there. Using your ruler helps a little bit to get your straight edge. And you're going to put them all together. So you're going to glue them together on their edges, just like that. And you're going to do on this side, same way. You're going to bring your middle one up to your largest, and you're going to bring your shortest one up, and you're going to see that you have that 3D effect that you want. And then what I have found when you're assembling your shamrock is that if you place the center one in the middle, it's kind of like a guide and it will help you. I'm going to put some glue on here. Then I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. I'm going to attach my stem to my center heart. And that's the top of your shamrock. Other heart, and you're going to attach it to the one side. And you're going to take your third heart shape and you're going to attach it to the other side. And there you can see your shamrock taking shape. For more ideas like this, you can check out these books at Volusia Library. Check us out at Volusia Library, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Keep crafting.